If you purchase stock from Asmodee, or it may actually be a VR distribution looking at this invoice, but either way, if you purchase stock from these guys, this video is for you. I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough on how to load this invoice into our point of sale program. So you can see I've got my invoice there. It's also got good old taco, cat, goat, cheese pizza. Again, my kids absolutely school me on, but I'll skip past that. To load it into our system, it's dead easy. You can just go to your main screen here in our program, go to stock and invoice arrivals. Traditionally, you'd receive that invoice into the system by either arriving an order you've created with the supplier, keying the information in manually via this screen, or what we have in our latest version, and we've had for a few versions now, is AI import. You can hit this one, you can then select the file, so I'm just going to select it here. I can see my preview of the invoice there on the left. And what I can do is I can hit analyze. That will use AI to read that invoice and load it into the system for me. Now, a couple of things. Firstly, I've never received an invoice from this supplier into my system, so it's saying it can't find that supplier. So I'm going to say yes, create it. It's automatically put the supplier's details in there because it's found it on the invoice. One main thing I want to set here is I want to set what the default department and category is. So I can set this to be games, for example. And then I might put that into a category of, you know what, I'm just going to put it into games as a department, and then I can set my category as I go through. But if normally when I get products from this supplier, I want it in a certain one, I can preset that. So I'm going to finish that. That's then going to roll through, and it's going to pre-populate it all into my screen here for me. You can see there, it's put the barcodes in, it's got the descriptions, put them into games, it's got my quantities, cost and sell. I can also match up my totals. Now they are slightly different, mainly because this one, just how it's allocating my freight charge there. This one's also in New Zealand pricing, but if it's in AUD, obviously that's going to work for you too. So I've got all my products on there. I can simply add them all in by doing them one by one down the grid here, or I can go item tools and I can say add all stock items. That will add them into my database, and from there I can just hit save to arrivals, and that's going to load that invoice in for me. Incredibly quick and easy to get that invoice loaded into your system. If you're an existing customer of ours, if you're not using this today and you'd like more info, reach out to the support team. If you're thinking about putting in a point of sale system, by all means reach out to us. We'd love to show you how this functionality works and also any other tools. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.